Hello and welcome back to Chatterbox English. I'm Elena.
And I'm Pavel. Today we're moving beyond small talk. We're talking about something wonderful and a bit vulnerable, making friends and extending social invitations in English.
Absolutely. This is where language becomes a bridge to real connection. So, Pavel, you've had a good chat with someone at work or in your class. You think, I'd like to be friends with this person. What's the next step?
That's the tricky part. You can't just say, let's be friends, like in primary school. I think you need to suggest a specific, low-pressure activity.
Exactly. Think of it as a gentle, casual invitation. The classic is coffee or lunch. You can say, hey, I really enjoyed our conversation. Would you like to grab a coffee sometime next week? The word sometime keeps it open and low pressure.
Would you like to grab a coffee sometime? That sounds natural. What if I want to invite someone to a group activity, like going to the cinema?
That's great for less pressure. You can say, a few of us from the office are thinking of seeing that new film on Friday. Would you be interested in joining us? Framing it as a group activity, a few of us, makes it very easy for them to say yes or no.
And how do I actually make the plan? Do I suggest a specific day and time right away?
It's good to have a suggestion ready. If they say, sure, coffee sounds good, you follow up. Great. How is your schedule looking next Tuesday or Wednesday afternoon? This moves from a vague idea to a concrete plan.
Now, the other side. What if I receive an invitation? How do I accept enthusiastically?
Show you're genuinely pleased. That sounds great. I'd love to. Or, oh, a coffee would be perfect. Yes, let's do it. Then confirm the details. Tuesday works well for me. Where's good for you?
And the delicate art of saying no without burning bridges.
Crucial skill. Always think them first, give a brief reason, no need for deep details, and leave the door open. Thanks so much for the invitation. That's really kind of you. I'm actually busy that day, but I'd love to join another time. Or, I wish I could, but I have prior commitments. Have fun and let me know how the film is.
Thanks. I'm busy, but would love to another time. That's polite and clear. Let's practice. You're my classmate. We've chatted a few times. I want to invite you for coffee.
All right. I'm in class, packing my bag.
Hey, Elena, that lecture was intense. I was thinking, if you're not rushing off, would you like to grab a quick coffee downstairs and decompress?
Oh, that's a nice idea. I have about 30 minutes before my next thing. Yes, let's do it.
Perfect. My treat. You explained that tricky grammar point to me last week.
See? Casual, specific, quick coffee, and even offered a light reason. Decompress. Very natural. Now a group invitation. I'll invite you. As a colleague. Pavel, some of us from the marketing team are going to that new street food market after work on Thursday. It's meant to be amazing. Fancy coming along?
The street food market? I've been wanting to check that out. That sounds like fun. Count me in. What time are you heading there?
Excellent acceptance. You showed enthusiasm, I've been wanting to, and immediately asked for a practical detail.
This makes it feel less like a script and more like real life. What's a common mistake people make?
Being too vague. We should hang out sometime often leads to nowhere. Always try to move towards a specific day or activity. Also, don't be discouraged by one no. People are busy. Try again in a few weeks.
So the friendship algorithm is 1. Have a positive interaction. 2. Offer a low-pressure specific invitation, coffee, lunch, group event. 3. If yes, lock in a rough plan. 4. If no, thank them, be gracious, and leave the future open.
You've got it. It's about courage, clarity, and kindness. Using these English phrases gives you the tools to build your social circle from the ground up.
Thanks, Elena. This doesn't just feel like a language lesson. It feels like a life lesson.
The best kind. Go forth and connect. Thank you all for learning with us.
See you, hopefully for coffee, in the next episode of Chatterbox English.